Hey there! Big thanks to all our new subscribers, and if you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button to stay in the loop. In this video, we've compiled the top 10 best-selling workbenches and storage solutions on Amazon. Let's check them out. Garage Shelving 3,000 pounds. Storage. Magnetic storage organizer tool holder, 6-piece. All stainless steel prep table. Wall-mounted storage bins.
Whether you want it on a bench that you already have or you're just putting it on the wall, there are different holders for every single size that you have, and then whenever you need to, if you want to just take it directly off, it just flips right or slides right off of it and then slides right back on.
Garage storage wall mount organizer, 48 inches, 440 pounds. "48-inch workbench with power outlets and light."
It does come disassembled, but it was quite easy to set up. These drawers slide very nicely in and out, and they do have a stopper there. It does come with a light as well. You can turn that on and off. I like that it's got some outlets on the side here too, so if you're using multiple machines at once, you don't have any issues with that. The board on the back there is great because you can hang extra tools, but it's got a lot of storage on the top and bottom as well. I just need to do some organizing. Overall, this is a pretty sturdy, I bang things on my anvil on here all the time, and it's held up really well. Honestly, the surface is barely even scratched from that, so highly recommend. Check this out.
Power tool organizer wall mount, 150 pounds. "44-drawer plastic drawer storage cabinet."
Organize and protect your hardware, office, and craft supplies with Acromill's plastic storage cabinets. Available in 5 models, these cabinets are made of rugged, high-impact plastic. The interlocking frame and face ensure strength and durability for a long service life. These cabinets can be stacked or easily wall-mounted with 4 keyhole slots. The dividable drawers are clear for easy identification of contents. Cabinet frames are made of 100% recycled material. Take steps towards sustainability while making a positive impact on the environment.
Modular power tool organizer, wall mount with charging station. Hey there! Got a suggestion for my next video? Drop it in the comments. Your ideas drive this channel. See you in the comments.
Stay updated on Amazon's best automotive products and viral finds. Click subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss out on our latest video.